Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is LD from Digital Guides TV, and into this video we're going to talk about beginner's guide on how to use Canva. And in this video also we are going to talk about what is Canva and what you can do for Canva and what Canva can do for you. Canva is a free online platform where you can do a lot of things like graphic design and making some thumbnails on YouTube. You can make some projects, digital products that you can sell online and everything, and so on and so forth. There are a lot of things that you can do on Canva. You can also make some logos if you are a beginner, or if you don't have any background in graphics design, you can use Canva to start your business or your project. So without further ado, let's go to my laptop and let's start the tutorial. Okay, to start using Canva, just log on to canva.com and you can choose whether to log in or sign up. If you don't have any account in Canva yet, you can use sign up. And on sign up, you can use your Google account or your Facebook account, or you can also enter your email if you don't want to use your Google or Gmail account or your Facebook account. So if you have already an account in Canva, you can log into the Canva right away using your Google account or your Facebook account or your email account that you use when you sign up on Canva. So take note that Canva has different plans and pricing. If you are an educator and you have the email address for your school like .edu.com, you can use that for your project, or you can use that one to sign up on Canva, or you can use the free plan or the pro version. Now, what's the difference between the free plan or the pro version? In free plan, you can use Canva for free and you can enjoy a lot of free stuffs there for free, and you can use them in your project whatever you want. Or you can use the pro version because there are a lot of features that you can use for your project. And if you are using all the pro features that you have on your account and you share it to your friends which is not pro yet, then you will have the problem as well, because your friends who is using the free Canva account, they will be asked to pay for the features that you are using. So to make sure that all your designs and your projects are usable for both of you, the free version and the pro version, just use the free photos or free elements that you have on your account. And also, if you are planning to sell digital products online, you can use your pro version account or your pro account to share templates and to share other elements, or to share other printable materials that you want to sell online. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start with Canva. So supposing we have the account already, we will just use our Google account. And here I am using my education plan because I have that account. I have that account on Canva. So you can use either pro or education. They have the same features, that you can use their images that is in pro as well. But if you're using the free version, you cannot use them unless you pay for that feature. So the project that we are going to make today is about YouTube thumbnails. And on your screen, just go to Canva, or just click Canva or home for Canva. And you go to search bar where you can type YouTube YouTube thumbnails, or when you type YouTube there, some search terms are suggested already, and you can choose YouTube thumbnails. If you're using the free version, you can see that this one is pro. It has a crown, but I'm using the education account. That's why I have here the edu features. But you can also find some free versions or free templates uh, for the YouTube thumbnails. And for example, I have here something to sell online. So how to sell anything online. So I will just use this one. I think this one is more attractive for me because firstly, I like blue. Just go back to, yeah, and also it's free. So I found these templates for free, and I can use whatever I like to do with this templates, and I can share. This one is shareable actually. If you don't like to use this uh, font here, you can just delete this one and change whatever you want to use on your project. But since I have this one already in my dashboard, I can just how change this one. Tips on how to sell anything online. So if you don't want to use this font, you can just search for the font that you would like to use on your project. For example, I like this narrow font design, so probably this one, do now. Oh, that is too small for me, so I think I have to change another one. Let's say this one, so that it will be more appealing. I mean, it will be more visible to your audience when they start browsing the internet. And this element, I don't like this element, so I will just delete that one, and I will just search. Just go to the menu on the left side of your screen, and you can see here elements, and you can search for the elements that you would like to include on your project or your design. I will just say, for example, um, so since this one is about the tips or ideas, I would like to search for ideas, and I will choose graphics because I don't want photos. I just need to use the graphics. And since I am going to share this to my friends who has a free account, so I will just search for the free elements over here. And for example, I like this one. This is very simple. This is very simple, but it is, you know appealing, and it gives an idea or impression that you are using, or you are telling some tips and ideas. So I will also change the color of these graphics into a lighter color. For example, um, white or yellow, however you like it. It's up to you to choose. So we'll just use white because I think that's a smart color for me. And I can also put that one here. So shall we say, I will put this one as an overlay here. All right. So if you don't like your design, you can just change it over and over again, right? So since I am selling online, I would prefer to use like on sale. You can always see red colors. Sorry, red color. So I will just change this one into red. To change the color background, you go to effect and you choose the background, and you choose also the color. You can change the color as you like it. And since I don't like the yellow thing for my sales or for my selling promotion, I use red color. And I want to change the color of the font into more contrast for the red. I think the contrast for the red is either white. Yes, white. And also I can uh, make it bigger. So I'll just this one to sell anything. Okay, I'll just adjust this one, or I can position this one forward. All right, and this one is also forward and online. Now if you want to change this picture here, I can delete it, this one, and change into your photos, your own photos. This one, oh no, this one is education or a pro version. So I'll just use free pictures so that I can share it to my friends uh, who have free version or free account. So we'll just use here um, amazing. amazing face. Photos, I can choose photos. So this one, I like this one. It's a shocking face. And then I can remove the background using this. I just click or select your image and edit image. And you can see here filter photo, photogenic, and I can also remove the background. If you have a free version account, I'm not really sure if you can use this background eraser or remove background, but you can go to remove that bg, and you can remove the background of any picture that you would like to remove the background to, right? So in this case, since I have the education account or a pro account, I can easily use this feature. Just take note that this is only available for edu or the pro version account. Now it seems that this picture has is quite darker, so I have to adjust the brightness and also the contrast, right? And also use the filter if you would like to change some, like this one is more festive solar. Okay, I think this one is cool. And I can also crop this one so that I can use more space for this picture, and I can adjust the size. All right, so I think that's it. So I like this design now, and I am ready to share with this one. I like this design because the tips how sell anything online is like, it's overlaying, and online word is just in front of this model. Now it's time for us to share or to download this photo. Just go to share and go to downloads. Now if you are sharing this photo online, you better use this one, JPEG or JPG, best for sharing, especially if you are sharing this on social media and your YouTube channel. So I'll just click download, and it's done. You can save this one, how to sell anything online, or tips how to sell anything online. All right, so just click save and you're done. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and like, and leave your comment down below. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe for more updates, and also click the bell notification so that in my next update you will be notified directly. And see you in my next one. Goodbye.